Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are doing a first impression with the Oden'S Hela palette, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, in today's video we are gonna do a first impression of the Hela palette, and it's actually my first time trying Oden'S, so I'm very excited and I'm very happy to try another indie brand. I will insert some swatches and the look of the palette closer, and this palette is actually restocking today, so I'm filming this a bit in advance, but if you are watching when I am posting this video on the 22nd of March, this palette is restocking. I just swatched it a bit earlier and it looks so stunning. I'm so excited to test this formula. The shadows seems very pigmented and very smooth, and yeah, I'm just so excited. I really like the design on this palette as well. I think Oden'S is doing an amazing job with the designs, and I really like Angie, so I wanted to try this palette as well. I have the Club Nebula as well, and that one is so good quality, so I just had to try this one as well. We have 16 shades in here. So as you can see, the mirror is broken, so I put some tape on it. I didn't want any particles of this going into my shadows. First thing to mention is a round of applause for Oden'S customer service. They were so quick in answering any of my questions. I did email them to ask about the shipping of this palette because it did took a very long time, but I know that's not their fault because they are shipping with the postal service and the world is really crazy right now, so I don't blame them, but they were answering my mails very fast and they were very nice. And about the mirror as well, they were really nice and they offered me another palette, but I did refuse because I really don't use mirrors in palettes. I have a stand mirror, this one, which is amazing, and I never use mirrors in palettes, so I didn't want that palette or this palette to go to waste, so I did refuse them. I just told them that this palette is okay and that I put some tape on it and it will work totally fine. They still refunded me a portion of this palette, so they were so nice. I really appreciate that and appreciate the communication and everything. So I really already want to recommend this brand. I hope the quality will be great as well, but the customer service was chef's kiss, and I just need to mention that as well. For today's video, I think I'm gonna do a pinky look because I did a green one in the last video, and these pinks are just so beautiful and this multi-chrome is stunning, so I want to use that somewhere. I already primed my eyes with the Natasha Denona eyeshadow base because I already know that I love that one, and now I'm putting some Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder to catch any fallout if we are gonna have any. And if you're curious about anything that I have on my face, I will list everything down below. And today the light is a tiny bit warmer. I hope it looks better. I will work on it. We're gonna start with this shade. It's actually called Hela, like the name of the palette, and I'm using this beige brush, and I will put this into the crease. And wow, it's so pigmented. Okay, didn't expect this shade to be that pigmented. We do have a small amount of keycap. I don't know if you can see it, but usually pigmented shadows have a bit of keycap. I don't have any problem with it. I zoomed you in even more. I just felt like we need to see these beautiful shadows even closer. I'm gonna use a brush like this one. This is a Zoeva 234. I just cleaned my brushes yesterday and I'm very happy. And we're gonna take this hot pink. It's called Goddess, and I really want to see how these shades are building on top of each other. So I think we are gonna put like 3 mattes. This hot pink is something else. It's very pigmented and I really like it. Let's take an even smaller brush. I'm using something like this, and we are gonna take the shade Soot. Shake. What? I said shake. Shade. Soot, and this is the darkest color. Oh, look at this one. Please focus. This is so dark, I really like it. Okay, I'm doing the same shades on the lower lash as well. Okay, so it looks something like this. For shimmers, we are gonna do River and then Hellfire. And I'm gonna put River on the exterior and Hellfire on the more interior of the eyelid. And we are gonna do something with double-sided as well. I'm not sure, I think maybe we are gonna use this yellow somewhere. I think a yellow inner corner will look interesting as well. I did spray the brush as well because I don't want a lot of fallout, and usually all shimmers are looking just gorgeous if they are a bit sprayed, and this shimmer is beyond beautiful. I'm blending the edge just a bit with the Soot shade. These shimmers are pretty lightly pressed, so be gentle with them. And now I'm putting Hellfire. So like you can see, I picked up just too much. I really digged my brush in there. Okay, so now we are gonna take a pencil brush and the shade Rebirth, which is the yellow, and I will put that in the inner corner. Oh, that's beautiful as well, and a bit into the lower lash. Even though I do like the look right now, I want to put this double-sided on top of the yellow because I can't not use the multi-chrome. With the same brush, I took a bit of the double-sided shade. I sprayed the brush, and this formula, it's a bit, oof. Look at this, it's so stunning. And this formula is a bit more putty, so it's not that lightly pressed formula. I will show you in just a second. Okay, so let me show you a bit. I don't know if you can see here, we have a bit of fallout into the pen in this shade as well. But this one is more of a putty formula, so it's just moving around a bit. Why I am so dumb? I forgot to show you this thing. I bought the color switch thingy as well. You just put your brush in here and do this motion, and it's cleaning your brush a bit, and you can use this between washes, but I'm so dumb, so I forgot. But I have it, I will use it in some future videos, but yeah. Let's put some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did change the lipstick as well, and now I look a lot more brighter than I anticipated, but I love it. I love colorful looks and I love these eyeshadows. This is just a first impression, but I'm already very excited to use it again, and I love this inner corner multi-chrome shade, is so stunning. I don't know what this hair is doing, but I look great. I love it. But this hair. I will list down below, like I said, everything that's on my face. I will list both lipsticks, and yeah, why I'm showing you the back. Anyway, this palette is great. So for my first impression, I really like the color story and I really like the quality from the shades that I tasted. Of course, I'm gonna do multiple looks and I'll let you know what I think about this palette after a lot more uses, but right now I really like it. So this was the video, guys. If you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.